Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Udemy affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Udemy's affiliate program. You can usually find this by searching for Udemy affiliate program in your search engine. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button to access the member portal. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use the email associated with your Udemy account. Next, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. After entering your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to your Udemy affiliate dashboard. Here, you can access various tools and resources to help promote Udemy courses. If it is your first time logging in, take a moment to explore the features available to you. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the affiliate links and tracking options. Once you are comfortable, you can start creating your promotional materials. When you're ready, log out to ensure your account remains secure. That's it. You are now logged into the Udemy affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.